Hello students, let's learn biconditionals today, okay? So here we have a chunk of code that I have taught you last class where you saw if nested inside another if, okay? So here the situation is that the Jeroo is placed here at 4 comma 6. So the question is, if there is water on the right, so if there is a net ahead, then go inside, fine. But if there is a water right also, then you better turn left. Okay. So all of this is written in this inside this code. So instead of writing uh, a nested if loop, right? There is another way of writing this, and I talked about that also in last class, but let's look at this. Suppose I can actually write this as um, if mad dot is net ahead and that's how you say and it's shift and 7, then it will be and ampersand um, and mad dot is water on the right. Okay, so yeah, there'll be like three sets of parentheses. Then do this. What should man do? Man should turn left. Turn left. Okay, so just to make sure our parentheses and brackets are all good. So let's try this out. Okay, so I have a Jeroo created mat and it's in this location, and then now it is going to check this condition. There is a net ahead and there is water to the right. Then what should it do? It should turn left. You see that? So for this, both conditions must be true for the code for Jeroo to enter inside this if code. Suppose I actually remove the net. Okay, suppose I put grass in place of that. Okay, and let's see if the code works now. Jeroo is created, now it's reading through, but it did not enter the code. It's done because one of the condition is turned false because there is no net ahead in this situation. So for and statement to work, both the conditions must satisfy. What if I actually do or here? This or that. Okay, that's how two parallel lines, vertical lines, show it as or. That's the or condition, how they write it. So if it is an or situation, then what happens? Jeroo is created, and then this or that. See, it went inside the code. That means one of the condition is good enough for or condition to satisfy. So it is turning left. So please make sure you understand this, that for and both conditions must satisfy. Must satisfy. Satisfy. For or, one of them or both of them must satisfy. Okay, so one of them or both of them. If both are false, or will return false. Let's look at that situation also. Uh, if I say there is no water ahead, okay, the video is going to stop in a bit, but you get the idea. If I actually remove the whole thing and play it, it will not work either. So for all, both conditions, one of the conditions must satisfy. If both are false, it is false. This is biconditionals for you. All right. I'll see you next time.